Hello, Sycamore. It's time for our whiteboard challenge. So you'll need to get yourself a piece of paper and a pencil, or if you've got a whiteboard and a whiteboard marker, you can get that now. So you might want to pause the video while you get that. Right. Has everybody got it? So you should have a piece of paper and a pencil, or a whiteboard and a whiteboard marker. And this is where if you get the word correct, if you write it down correctly, then you can score yourself 1 point for each correct word. And the word sounds we're practicing today are our split digraphs that we've done this week, our O sound and our oo sound. So it'll be O words, split digraph, or oo words, split digraph. So here's the first one. Huge. The elephant was huge. Remember your sound buttons. Huge. Let's see if you got it right. Huge. 1 point. You got that right. Here's the next word. Alone. The little girl was alone. Alone. It's the O split digraph. Alone. If you got that one right, give yourself another point. Here's the next one. Use. You can use my pencil. It's the oo. Use. And there it is. Use. Give yourself another point if you got that right. Here's the next word. Home. You are working at home. Home. Just check it. Home. Home. Here it is. Did you get it right? If you did, give yourself another point. Here's the next word. Tube. There was a black tube on the road. Tube. The oo split digraph. Tube. Remember to put your sound buttons on. Here it comes, see if you get it right. There it is. If you got that one right, give yourself another point. Hope you're keeping track of your points. This is one that a lot of you make mistakes on, so let's see who gets this one right. Those shoes are mine. Those. Not those. O's. Put your sound buttons on. Those. Let's have a look, see who got it right. We ready? 3, 2, 1. Those. If you got that right, give yourself another point. The next word's quite tricky, but it's something you're using a lot at home and you love to use in the classroom. Who can guess what word I've chosen now? Computer. 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 Listen to the sounds. Computer. 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 It's the oo digraph. Here it comes. I know it's a long word, it's quite tricky. You've done really, really well if you got this one right. There it is, computer. Did you remember the Well done if you did, give yourself a point. And the last one, explode, explode, explode. It's another really hard one. Explode. Just have a go. Right, here we go. There it is. Give yourself a point if you got that one right. Now, if you got them all right, you'll have had 8 points because we had 8 words. So well done. If you got all of them right, you'll have done really well, even if you got 5 right. That would have been brilliant. So just making sure you did the O and the oo in the right place. So well done with the whiteboard challenge. I'm sure you've done all done brilliantly, and I will see you again soon. Bye-bye.